and heroic peasant movement is going on in our country. We feel proud that we, the leaders, cadres, workers of AIKKMS, is now in the midst of this heroic struggle. We are performing our role to make the movement a victorious one. Sanjukta Kisan Morcha and its constituent AIKKMS has gave a clarion call on 26th of May as the Black Day. Last year, on 26th of November, the movement started. And on 26th of May, it will complete its 6th month. We appeal to you to hoist black flag in your house, to garland the martyrs' column, to raise your voice of protest. By all means, we hope that you will respond to our call. Friends, it is crystal clear as daylight that the Three Farms Act and Electricity Bill 2020 was enacted not for the peasants, but for the corporates. The BJP government is in the center, is trying its best to serve the interests of the corporates. And to serve the interests of the corporates, they are waging an attack, continuous attack on the toiling peasantry. Just like they are attacking the toiling workers and all sections of the people. It is our firm conviction that whatever may be the attack, whatever may be the natural calamity, whatever may be the cold, whatever may be the hot, whatever may be the corona pandemic, dying thousands and thousands of common people in our country, we the peasants all over the country, across the country, we the millions and millions of peasants across the country, we will fight to the last. We will fight and we will be victorious. We will win. This is our firm conviction. We appeal to you all, please come forward. Help us, stand by the peasants who are not fighting only for the peasants, but for all the toiling people of the country. Please help us, please stand by us, and please help us to make this movement a victorious one. Inqilab Zindabad. Great salute to all of you.